We're out here today at Aquatica Orlando to check out Tassie's Underwater Twist. This is an existing ride that has some all-new enhancements, supposed to be some immersive stuff, some projections. I don't know what it's about, but I can't wait. Let's go check it. So excited to check out Tassie's Underwater Twist. What can you tell me about it?
Yeah, so this is an all-new attraction here at Aquatica in Orlando, and really what it is it's a Super Bowl slide, but we've created a dome in an incredibly immersive experience. So sliders will slide down the tube, and they'll enter a 360 bowl where there's projection screens going all the way around the dome with pretty incredible audio. And we're really transporting the slider to Australia's Shark Bay, where virtually you're going to go under the water, and you're going to interact and see humpback whales, turtles, even an occasional shark or a manta ray. Just really this impressive, all immersive experience.
So for our guests who might be coming out at some point to do it, any tips or tricks to get the best possible experience?
Well, what I think is important about this ride is the experience is always going to be different.
Okay.
Because of the video and the projection on the interior of the dome. It's always going to be different. You're going to see different animals. They're going to be in different spots. It's going to be different every single time. But the other part about this ride is almost anyone can ride it. Okay. You just got to be able to hold on to the handles, sit in a proper riding position, and you can experience this ride.
And so these projections, this is an all-new component that I created especially for this ride.
Yeah, so we put that into an existing ride, put a top over it, and then we just project out onto the interior of the slide. And it's just created this entirely new experience for our park.
Very cool. I can't wait to see it. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Enjoy.
So that was our special sneak preview of Tassie's Underwater Twist here at Aquatica Orlando. This used to be Tassie's Twisters, and they added the enhancements for the videos and stuff. Honestly, I enjoyed it. It's a very chill little ride. I mean, it's good for families. You know, a little excitement in the beginning, and then you're in the bowl and you're just sort of immersed in it. It was kind of fun, very chill. I enjoyed it. You guys want to check it out? Come on by. It's open now at Aquatica Orlando.